Hi, crafty friends. Lacey here, the cheeky bum, and today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you. It's been a while. I've just kind of collected a few things here and there, but I'm finally starting to see some new stuff come out in the craft section that I'm excited about. So I'm going to share with you the finds that I did find. I did find some stuff that was on my wish list and some other hard to think or hard to find finds or just some lucky finds. I don't really know, but we're going to get into it. I found some of these. I found the four. I've seen this one. I've seen people haul this one. I might have seen this one, but I don't think I've seen this heart one and this bow one. So I grabbed two of everything. They're really cute. These are perfect to add, put your pokey tools and pens or dangles or, whatever else you want to put in there. Ruffles, I don't know, but they're cute and they go. I feel like I might have some pink bow ones from a while back. I don't know. I have to look at my stash because I don't know what I have anymore. Smiley faces are always cute and we'll go with random things. These will be cute for Valentine's next year with the hearts. And of course the strawberries. So cute. So I was happy to find those. I did find the new hand sanitizers. So we have Lotus Blossom and Cherry Blossom. These scents are pretty light. They're not super strong. And I did find the matching cases to go with them. So these are cute. They're such a cute gift. I really have enjoyed, working with these. I've seen people glue charms right on here, but I like to put a little dangle on them. I usually switch out the hardware to gold, but I mean, sometimes I'll work with silver, but these are really cute. I have a whole little tote full of them for whatever, I have these in all my cars. I have them in my purse, my beach bag, they're everywhere. So hand sanitizer up. So nice scent. I did find this as well. I have a crafty friend looking for all the strawberry shortcake stuff. So I found these and I found the candles. Now I have not found anything else. I haven't found the lotion. I feel like there's other things too. I've only found one of these and some candles, but I'll show you the candles in just a second because they're in another bag. Is this it for beauty? Oh, I found another pair of tweezers. I love my tweezers for crafting because I have nails and these work out perfect, but these are not as pointy as the ones I usually use. But I thought I would put those in my craft drawer anyway. So I found some new beads. So this is a new Crafter Square logo. The old one is, I don't think I have anything nearby that has the old logo, but the new logo is this teal and white. And we have the set of blue beads, which is really pretty. I'll definitely be using. They're very giving me summer vibes, and I love, teals and mints and stuff. So got those. I found this little diamond painting in this little cowgirl boots. Let's take this out. Let's see what it looks like. But yeah, you see the new packaging. So let's see. Oh, it's a decent size. What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by 6? That probably says that on the box and I just didn't read. It does. Well, it's just over 6 by 6. Cute. And even if you didn't want to do this, you could just take these and use them in your shaker mixes. I use them in my tiny little flower centers, like that. There's a lot of different things you can use them for. So this one has a good variety of colors. I might put this together. I usually just any diamond kit that I get from Dollar Tree, I'm usually just stealing the gems out of it. But I might try this one and see how well it is. And it's cowgirl, so I like cowgirl anyway. So there's that. I'll put that away later. I did find these jemmies. So these are great. These are perfect for, I don't know, shakers. So these are not flat back. These are 3-dimensional. So these ones are flat back. These ones are 3-dimensional. So those are the colors. They're so bright and summery. These will be great for shaker mixes and stuff like that, or to put on the center of your flowers. And I mean, I like the little container they come in. I usually just take these out and I have like little baskets I throw them in. So these are flat back. These ones are 3D. So these are going to be like a gem. Let's see if I can show you. So yeah, these are going to be like diamond shape, but you can still put these, if you're using the thicker foam, you can still put these in shaker mixes. So these are the only two that I found. I don't know if they'll have any other ones. I'll put those back in a second. So yeah, I don't know if they'll have more colors or more colors coming. These are the only ones that I had found at my Dollar Tree. And I only found these at one Dollar Tree. Like, they just were starting to get new stuff in. I have not seen any new stickers or anything like that, unfortunately. I found these are portable soap sheets. These are great too to put in like your travel bag because especially or your purse, you know, there's so many times where soap is not in, the dispensers are out of soap. So I got one of these, so I thought I would try them out before I got more. I got the fresh scent. I think there was a lavender one, but I just went with fresh scent. And I found these new notebooks. So they have a whole bunch of new notebooks out because Shanita showed me all kinds of new notebooks that she found. I have not found any, but I am on the hunt. They'll come. Now that there's, like, I'm starting to see new stuff put out, I know that they're coming. But I got these ones just simply for this flower because it was so cute. I love putting these everywhere. I have little notebooks everywhere, little list everywhere. But this one's kind of plain, but you can add stickers to this, or you can take this off, and if you have a cinch machine, just make a new cover for it. But I liked the little flowers. I thought they were cute, and the little gingham is cute. These are pretty thin, but again, if you have a cinch machine, go ahead and make, you know, it into your own. Add your own favorite collection to the top or whatever. But I like these. All right, what else do we have? All right, here's the candles. So I'll show you the candles since they're sitting right here. So here's the strawberry shortcake. Oh, I can just smell it coming out of this bag. So, I mean, I don't know if the strawberry really smells like strawberry. It smells more like a berry, but I mean, they're cute. They're nostalgic, especially if you're an 80s baby. This one is probably my favorite. This one's the lemon one. It smells just like her, lemon meringue. That's her name. I think I had the strawberry, and I think I had, I don't remember what other colors I had. So there is a blue one out there. I didn't get the blue one. I'm okay with not getting blue because it's blueberry scented. This one is plum. Maybe it was no, that's not the plum girl. Maybe I had the blueberry girl. This one probably is my favorite. This one smells really good. It smells very like fallish, and I like fall. So these are really cute, and they actually smell pretty good. I don't know how well they'll light. I usually don't light candles. I usually just burn them under a lamp, but these are cute, especially for nostalgia purposes. A little few more things I found. Oh, these are just nothing new, but I got some bigger notebooks. I wanted to make some trapper keepers. I haven't made a trapper keeper in a while, and I thought about making one, so I wanted to get some notebooks to do that. I did find these. Now, they say they're outline glitter markers, so we're going to try these out because are they what they say they are? I know that Jots can be hit or miss sometimes. This is the only colors I found out there, which are very similar colors, so I don't know. Let's see. Okay. Oh, you do have to shake them because I can hear the little rattle in there, and they'll have to be primed. Okay. So I don't know how long these will last before they dry out. And they will probably bleed as well. Oh, here, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. See, there we go. So there's the pink. Here, let's just shake them all at the same time. And we'll prime them all at the same time too. Oh, this one came through real. Oh, look at that blue. That one primed real well. They do have a fatter lip, so I mean, they're not fine by any means. That's what, that one is not that bad. It only bled through a few sheets for as big of a puddle as that is. So this one was purple. These are cute. They're not bad. I mean, again, I don't know how long they'll last before they dry up, and hopefully they'll have some other colors, but these are kind of fun. This one wrote I mean, maybe it's because of this. I'll have to mess around with it and play. The pink doesn't look as glittery as the other colors, and I don't know if it's, maybe prime it a little bit more. No, it just doesn't have that silverness as the other ones do. But they're cute. I mean, they'll be cute for journaling, planning, anything like that. I think they're cute. I would repurchase, even if, like, so say they don't last very long, but if you are doing some journaling or doing a project and you only got like one-time use out of it, like, they're $1.25. So do as you will. Picked up more little mini jars because they had them. And look, Shanita, I found some wire. So I was unaware, and not all floral sections have this wire, but I found one. They had some floral wire in there. They did have different colors. These are great for doing little projects. She was doing some butterflies and making little antennas out of the wire, so I picked up a black and gold. So I don't know, stuff to have in your stash, I guess. But I think these ones were $1.50. I don't think they were $1.25. I did find some little chip clips. How cute are these? So I found Minnie, I found Mickey, and I found SpongeBob. They're just so cute. They're adorable. Last but not least, I found some new masks. These are all Nightmare Before Christmas. I thought that these would be perfect to put in my stash for, you know, Halloween and Christmas time, because I like spooky stuff for Christmas. And this is what they look like. They're really cute. Look at this Jack one. That one's really cute. And Sally. So I love a good mask. I love sharing a self-care, because I think self-care is really important, especially when you get the winter blues. But it is getting spring. I know that I live in the South, so I get spring a little faster than other people, but you know, you got to get rid of the blues, the uglies. So yeah, I think I found some good stuff. I'm happy with the things I found. I know that there's still stuff out there that I am looking for, but gradually they'll come, and I'm so happy to see new stuff come into the craft section, because my craft sections have been looking pretty meek. They've needed some TLC for a long time. Pretty empty shelves, but I'm so glad new things are coming out. So stay on the lookout for things that you might like as well. See you guys in the next video. Bye.